Today we've got Zack in, first attempt. These are my favourite pupils, trained from scratch. Tell them how you feel.
I'm okay actually, I think.
Yeah. When I met him I feared the worst, but he's come good. He did give me the best spiral roundabout lesson ever offered people in Sunderland. So if he drives like that, he'll pass easy. Have any questions before we start?
No, I don't think so.
Right, when you're ready then. Did you? Emma wish you good luck?
Yeah, she did.
What did she say? Did she give you any tips?
Just about like what do you call it? Making sure you kind of like over exaggerate your head movements.
No, who's told? Did Emma tell you that?
Yeah, so the driving instructor, not instructor, examiner would know.
Where have you getting that rubbish from? When you check that middle mirror, I just want eye movement. Have you got that?
Okay.
And slight dormer check. You don't over exaggerate your mirror checks. Guess what he thinks then?
I don't know.
Your mirror's not set correctly.
Oh, okay.
Why would you want your bobby head about to check your mirrors? It doesn't make sense.
I'll let Emma know.
Emma, that's disappointing, dear me. She did pass first time though, with one minder, didn't she? Was it one driver fault?
2 or 3, I think. That was it.
No, I think she only got one. Yeah, she only got one.
Right, okay.
Is there any roads that you're worried about at all?
The only one I was thinking of is turning right after Stonebridge Mill Roundabout.
So going straight ahead and then turning right?
Yeah, where the when you go up the hill.
Yes, what about it?
I don't think we've ever done it. I think you told me to do it and I missed it once.
Did you? Oh, we'll try that one.
Yeah.
You're alright with the city centre and that, yeah? And Tinfoot Roundabout?
Yeah, I think so.
Could you just pull up on the left, just past the 2 parked cars? Right, now you drive on when you feel ready. Lovely hill start, sir, lovely hill start. Very high standard, that one.
That's good.
Now when you get in the car with the examiner, put your licence in the card holder. Have you got that?
Okay.
Do you want me to come with you, or do you want me to sit at the test centre? It's your choice.
I'll have a think. I'll have a think.
You'll have a think?
Yeah.
I'm not offended if you want me to sit at the test centre, you know. Doesn't bother me. Now at the traffic lights I want you to turn left.
Good.
Patience, young man. Patience.
Get that from Emma.
Well, don't drive like Emma. You said you drive too fast. Take the next road to the left.
Oh, this one?
Where the green sign is. I want you to drive lovely and smooth today, yeah?
Yeah.
This guy's had 7 mock driving tests. Tell him how many you've passed.
1.
1 out of 7. Wow.
Not bad.
Well, it's not good.
Yeah.
That'll do, sir. The handbrake on for new. Yeah. If I was nitpicking, it could be you went a fraction early.
Okay.
But the examiner will be impressed with that.
Okay.
The observation is very good. Speed excellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
Drive on when you do. Hit the curb. What do you do?
Stop and just
Shove
put
it
it into.
forwards.
Yeah.
And make sure you look all around. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you off your gas as you go around.
Yeah.
See it? Don't go around too fast. Allow for no margin of error. You have to come off your gas as you go around bends and that like that.
Oh, straight ahead. Didn't realise I was getting that close to it.
Dear me.
I came up a lot faster than I thought it was.
Well, I said you are a little bit fast at times.
Yeah.
Make eye contact with them, no one let you out.
Yeah.
So when you're sitting like that, make eye contact with them. When you do that, they'll let you out.
Okay. That's really bad.
It's good that you cancel the signal while doing that. How can you forget to put it into first gear?
I don't know.
I don't know. That's all you say. I don't know. Right, we're going to do it longer here, okay? So be cool and give me a lovely control stop. Stop. That was a bit shit.
Yeah, was it too slow?
Handbrake on. Oh no, handbrake in your room. Drive on when you're ready. Yeah, you've got to push the brake down a bit to the floor.
Yeah.
Good pressure, but it needs to go right to the floor. And then clutch at the last second. Have you got that?
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll give it another go. Concentrate. Stop. Well, that was a bit of a welly that time, but it'll do.
Was that too hard?
Well, it wasn't control, was it? But
Yeah.
you did stop very quickly, so it wouldn't be marked. But I'd rather you do that one than the first one.
Okay.
Drive on when you're ready. You need to signal.
What?
You need to signal to move off if there's cars behind you.
Because they stopped, so I didn't think.
No, they didn't stop. There was a car turning left. So what could the white van? What could it have done?
Gone over, gone round.
It could have overtook. So
Yeah.
you should have indicated no. Whatever you do, don't slow your body down when you move over. Got that? But yeah, the first one, the second one was much better than the first one. Yeah.
Okay.
Take the second road to the right. That's your first one. Oh, I'm sweating like a lunatic here.
Why? Why?
I get really nervous when I take you for a test.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Whoa, that's too fast.
Put it into first gear. You swung really wide there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take the second right, that's the first one. What happened there then?
I don't know.
You saved it, but...
I think I was just going a bit too fast.
Well, I've told you sometimes it is a little bit on the fast side, but yeah, should be a little bit slow. You've been watching your girlfriend too much. Emma, if he fails, I'm blaming you. You're getting the blame, young lady. Dear me, I love my views to be lovely and smooth as butter. Next right, and then go and reverses into a beer, please. Yeah.
Okay.
Do the one next to the white car.
Wait for them to move on.
We've got plenty of time, so there's no rush.
Okay.
Can you read the registration number in the mirror? In the middle mirror, the black Volvo.
MJ12BEL.
Go on, just drive over.
Okay.
I'd have gone further into the corner there before you turned, but
Okay.
Right, get on, right, you're alright. You've got him a bag of nerves here.
You'll pass, Mark. You'll pass.
Too close to that. I think I might be too close to that car. So I might.
Well, it was going really wide, so I don't understand why
I
you
turned it
didn't
all the
stay.
way.
You what?
Turned it all the way.
Left it all left. Come on, just back it up a bit more, or go for it, your choice.
I think I'm scared. I'm not worried about that, so.
But you didn't position your own over there.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't position the car properly.
Alright, okay. I didn't do it properly.
Stop looking at the steering wheel. Just look where your car wants to go. A bit impatient, that one, isn't it?
It's better.
Yeah, much better.
Oh, there's a curb there. Okay.
That's alright, sir. All good.
There you go.
That's nicely done. Right. Have you got your phone on silent?
Should be. I'll just shut it off, to be honest.
Do you want to open the bonnet, or you're okay?
I think I'm okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right. Give us a prediction. Are you going to pass or fail?
Hopefully pass.
Hmm?
Probably a couple of minors.
Couple? How many going for?
Aim for 3, hopefully.
Well, that's what I normally always go for. 3. I'm going to go for my 3, regular 3. Slot. 3 driver faults. He's drove for an hour and 15 minutes without committing a serious fault. That's very, very good. But the bad thing is, it's very rare you can get a learner driver drive for 2 hours without committing a serious fault.
When was that? Was that last week?
No, I'm saying today,
Oh.
you've driven for an hour and 15 minutes without committing a serious fault.
Oh, have I not?
Yeah, you haven't done it.
Oh, I thought I had.
No. Can you name one?
I thought maybe the roundabout.
What
where
roundabout?
Where I didn't check the mirror.
When you went over, you didn't go over that far to do, but I just said it wasn't like.
With that question, you
Yeah.
said, I think I went, you mentioned I went too early. Was I meant to go around at that time, or was it just that I didn't?
Was it what? Sorry.
I think you mentioned about going around too early.
Yeah, you just went over a bit early.
Should I stay back where I was?
What you were there.
Yeah.
All you had to do was just go over there, to that lane. But you went.
Oh, so I just kept to the right
You
then?
you treaded like a bit of a spiral. You come over here a bit.
Yeah.
Now I did have a pupil fail there because I was in the back of the test. The pupil was here, and I seen a bunch of Chinese
Yeah, I was
students
thinking
here.
of that.
And what happened? If they're in that lane, where have they got to go?
Forward, straight up.
Right. Guess where they went?
I remember you telling me that.
My pupil went over there with no mirror checks,
Yeah.
and the examiner had to grab the wheel. And I knew what they were going to do because they were looking all around the car. They looked like they didn't have a clue where they were going. So if my pupil just looked in dumber and seen them come round, they could have just gently braked, let them get past and then move over. But you wouldn't get wrong for you get a mirror fold. You went over there.
Yeah.
It's not a spiral, just go over there.
Okay.
Don't go right round there and over there.
If that light's on red.
This one.
Yeah, and there's a car there waiting. Can I go out or?
There won't be a car. Yes, you can go up, but
okay.
There won't be a car there. But it could it could go out. He's had a few driver faults, about 6 or 7, but no serious. So yeah, we'll go for 3 driver faults.
No, I think it'll be fine.
Right out, and let's go and meet the examiner. Yeah? Have you got everything?
I think so.
Keys? Yeah. You don't want to open the bonnet, you're okay with that?
Oh yeah, car keys.
Yep. So which one opens it?
The one down here.
Yeah.
Pull it right. Yeah. Because I did go over just like 1 or 2 miles.
I told you about your speed, didn't I?
Yeah, I know.
Gee, me.
Well, I caught it every time, luckily.
You've been listening to your sweetheart too much, yeah? Yeah, well done. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
I passed.
How many faults?
3.
What were the 4?
For just going ever so slightly over the speed limit.
Approaching stuff too fast.
Yeah.
What was the examiner like? Tell him what he was like.
He was really nice.
Really nice. Did he chat much?
He did a little bit at the beginning, and then he just went really quiet.
Oh, well done, you man. Well done.
Thank you.
Yay. What's it feel like to pass your test?
Quite good. Yeah. I'm just glad I didn't fail.
Yeah. Well done.
Oh, sorry.
He's a mean marker, that one.
He really liked me, I think.
Did he?
Yeah,
you're a very likeable guy. Emma has good taste, young man.
She does.
Oh, well done. Well done.
This will go on YouTube then. This will go on YouTube then.
It will, and some of your best bits and some of your worst bits, yeah?
Yeah.
So it was a good drive this morning, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah, undue hesitation, response to traffic signs and signals. So 4 driver faults, he got 2 for speeding, use of speed, 1 for undue hesitation, he could have gone and he didn't. And
I know where that was, I think.
In response to traffic and signs and...
Do you want to forward it to yourself?
Yeah,
I'll just type it. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Well done, sir.
Thank you very much.
Been a pleasure.
Yeah, thank you.
Now you drive safely and don't drive like Emma. Have you got that?
I'm going to annoy her if I drive safely.
That's the best way.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, see you later, sir. Bye, and drive safely. Yeah, don't get my review.
I won't do it. I'll do it now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See you later, Zach.
Bye.